What if I told you this tiny seed, seemingly insignificant, could actually transform your health and well-being in profound ways? We're not just talking about a minor boost, we're talking about a fundamental shift in how you feel, perform, and live your life. Chia seeds fueled entire armies. Yes, the Aztecs, a civilization renowned for its strength and resilience, relied heavily on them for sustained energy and incredible endurance. These weren't just snacks, they were a vital component of their daily sustenance, empowering them to conquer and thrive. Today we're unlocking the secrets of chia seeds, delving into the science and history behind this nutritional powerhouse, and revealing not just a few, but 10 incredible benefits that might just change your life, offering a pathway to a healthier, more vibrant you. This isn't just another fleeting health trend or a fad diet. It's ancient wisdom, passed down through generations, now rigorously backed by modern scientific research and clinical studies. Imagine powering your day, from sunrise to sunset, with the same remarkable food that sustained legendary warriors. Whether you're pushing your limits at the gym, tackling demanding projects at work, or keeping up with the boundless energy of your kids, I'll show you exactly how to harness the power of chia seeds for sustained energy, effective weight loss, and so much more, unlocking a treasure trove of health benefits. Plus, I'll share the best and most delicious ways to seamlessly add them to your daily diet, making it easy and enjoyable to reap the rewards. So, are you ready to unlock the ancient power within these tiny seeds? Let's dive in and discover the incredible potential of chia. Chia seeds, those tiny powerhouses, are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3s you can find. They're incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily diet. Specifically ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that your body can convert into other beneficial forms. Omega-3s are premium fuel for your brain, the kind of fuel that keeps your mind sharp and your cognitive functions running smoothly. Think of it as high-octane gasoline for your mental engine. Think better memory and sharper focus, allowing you to tackle tasks with greater efficiency and clarity. It's like having a mental edge that helps you stay on top of your game. And improved cognitive function overall, supporting your ability to learn, reason, and problem-solve effectively. It's about maintaining a healthy and vibrant mind throughout your life. Just a spoonful in your smoothie, sprinkled on your yogurt, or mixed into your oatmeal, is like a brain tune-up, giving you that extra boost you need to power through your day with enhanced mental clarity and focus. But it's not just your brain that benefits, your heart will thank you too. These omega-3s are also heart heroes, working tirelessly to keep your cardiovascular system in top condition, reducing inflammation throughout your body, which is a key factor in preventing heart disease and other chronic illnesses. Lowering bad cholesterol, also known as LDL cholesterol, which can build up in your arteries and increase your risk of heart attack and stroke. And supporting healthy blood pressure, helping to keep your circulatory system functioning optimally and reducing strain on your heart. Every seed is packed with protective power for your heart, acting as a natural shield against cardiovascular problems. Forget fish oil. If you're looking for a sustainable and plant-based source of omega-3s, chia seeds are a plant-powered revolution, offering a convenient and ethical alternative to traditional fish oil supplements. For your brain and heart, providing comprehensive support for these two vital organs. They deliver a concentrated dose of essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. For your two most important organs, ensuring they have the nutrients they need to function at their best. That's a one-two punch of benefits, providing both cognitive and cardiovascular support in a single, easy-to-consume package. In every handful, unlocking a world of health benefits with these tiny but mighty seeds. Chia seeds are fiber powerhouses. Just 2 tablespoons pack 10 grams of fiber. This fiber forms a gel in your stomach, keeping your gut happy and promoting regularity. The gel also expands, making you feel full and satisfied, so you eat less and curb cravings. Add them to your breakfast and you'll enjoy hours of sustained energy and fullness. It's a simple, natural way to manage hunger and support a healthy weight. A happy gut and a full stomach thanks to chia's incredible fiber. Total game changer for digestive health. Struggling with hunger or snacking? Chia seeds are your secret weapon. When soaked, they expand in your stomach, making you feel full with less food. This helps you naturally reduce portions and crush cravings. Plus, they slow down food absorption, keeping your energy stable and preventing sugar crashes. Add a spoonful to water or yogurt before meals for a powerful weight loss boost. It's a smart, sustainable way to control appetite and calories. Chia seeds are a game changer for blood sugar control. Their fiber, protein, and healthy fats slow down digestion, preventing sugar spikes and crashes. This means steady energy, fewer cravings, and better moods. For anyone watching their glucose or just wanting stable energy, chia seeds are a must. Add them to carb-heavy meals to buffer blood sugar impact. No more afternoon slumps or energy roller coasters. Chia seeds help you achieve a balanced, steady state all day. Chia seeds offer a triple threat for heart health: fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants. The fiber lowers bad cholesterol by binding and removing it from your body. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and support healthy blood pressure. Antioxidants protect your cardiovascular system from damage. Together they form a comprehensive defense for your heart. It's one of the easiest ways to be proactive about long-term heart health. Just a spoonful a day can make a real difference. Think of chia seeds as your body's antioxidant army, fighting off cell-damaging free radicals. Their antioxidants, like quercetin and camphorol, neutralize these invaders, protecting you from aging and disease. They also keep chia's healthy fats fresh, so you get all the benefits. Every bite helps reduce oxidative stress and supports healthy aging. You're not just eating for today, you're investing in your future health. Tiny seeds, massive protection. Chia seeds have more calcium gram for gram than most dairy, perfect for strong bones. They also deliver phosphorus and magnesium, essential for bone density and calcium absorption. This trio works together to build and maintain a resilient skeleton. Plus, chia's protein supports bone structure. Ideal for anyone, especially if you're dairy-free or plant-based. Chia seeds are a complete bone-building package. Aztec warriors use chia seeds for sustained, clean energy. No jitters, no crashes. Their balanced mix of fats, protein, and fiber means slow, steady energy release. This also boosts your metabolism and helps build lean muscle. A faster metabolism means more calories burned, even at rest. Forget energy drinks. A spoonful of chia is the ancient power source you need. Fuel your day like a true warrior. To get the most from chia seeds, always rinse them before use. They're tiny, but can pick up dust or debris during processing. Use a fine mesh strainer and rinse under cold water for 10 seconds. This ensures purity and helps them gel better in recipes. It's a tiny step for a big boost in quality. Make rinsing chia seeds your new non-negotiable habit. Ready to unlock the potential of chia seeds for weight loss? Are you looking for a natural way to support your weight management goals? It's easier than you think. Start by seamlessly integrating them into foods you already enjoy, a simple yet effective strategy. Think yogurt, adding a delightful and nutritious crunch to your morning or afternoon snack, or blend them into smoothies, boosting the fiber and omega-3 content of your favorite blended beverage. And don't forget oatmeal. A sprinkle of chia seeds transforms this classic breakfast into a powerhouse of sustained energy. For a more targeted approach to curbing your appetite, try this. Soak 1-2 tablespoons of chia seeds in water. Let them sit for just 10-15 minutes, allowing them to expand and form a gel. Then, drink this mixture before your meals to promote a feeling of fullness, naturally reducing your calorie intake. If you're looking for a treat that's both healthy and satisfying, chia pudding is another delicious option. It's incredibly simple to prepare. Just mix chia seeds with your favorite milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative, and add a touch of your preferred sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Give it a good stir, then chill in the refrigerator until it reaches a delightful pudding-like consistency. These simple yet effective methods can significantly help you eat less, manage your portions, and stay satisfied for longer periods, making your weight loss journey more manageable and enjoyable. And for those wondering about the source, rest assured, chia seeds aren't some artificial creation. They're a plant-based superfood, derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, and they're a fantastic addition to any diet, for everyone. So whether you prefer to drink them in water, sprinkle them on your meals, or get creative and make delicious chia pudding, there's a way for everyone to incorporate them. Start today and discover the benefits for yourself. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile, packed with essential nutrients, and remarkably easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Make them a consistent part of your daily routine, and you'll be well on your way to experiencing real, sustainable results in your weight management journey. There you have it. 10 science-backed reasons chia seeds are a superfood powerhouse. Start with a teaspoon or two a day, and drink plenty of water to avoid digestive discomfort. Gradually increase your intake as your body adjusts. Ready to try chia seeds? Share your favorite recipe in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.